This is the Tammy Fringe Hair Weave. This is the first haircut. We're using a razor to carve and sculpt the fringe. We're holding all of the extension hair together and we're holding it taut. We're cutting the hair at an angle. We go through the panels in sections to make sure that the cut is even and balanced. We're holding the hair down at a 0-degree elevation. We're using the first cut as our guide, and we used her upper lip to make our first cut. You want to use your comb to check and make sure that the sections are meeting and that you're cutting them seamlessly. You see the angle here that we're holding the hair? It's the angle of the fingers that determines the depth of the haircut. I want you to pay attention to her fingers. You see the angle? Finger angle will show that once she slices the hair, it will be shorter at the chin and progressively getting longer away from the chin. The razor slices the hair according to the angle of the fingers. They call it the finger angle. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? Just tap that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave us a comment. We love sharing professional textured hair care knowledge. And visit our platform, beautywellnesshaircare.com. By holding a panel of hair straight up and cutting it, carving it, slicing it straight across, what you're doing is you're creating soft layers. This is the first of 3 of this Tammy haircut. We've just finished placing the hair extension wefts right in the crown and front fringe, and now we're using a razor to blend and slice the ends so that it falls naturally. And we want to adjust the length of the fringe to fit her face. Even though we want an exaggerated fringe, we don't want it to look unnatural. We don't want it to look as if that couldn't be her hair. Let's go in and focus on the hairline of this fantastic fringe hair weave. We want to make sure that the client's natural hairline and the extension hairline are blended. If you haven't watched the Tammy Fringe weft placement video, then you need to go to our YouTube channel and look for that video, because it's the placement that allows us to expose her natural hairline, and that's what keeps it looking more realistic. We're going in and we're continuing to blend the hair extension fringe. We're holding all the hair back. It's over directed from the front to the back, and we're slicing and carving in length. Even in this slice, you can see that the hair is being held tautly and then it's being sliced at an angle. Our goal with this haircut at this point is balance. This client model has a petite body and she has a small heart face shape, so we want to make sure the hair extension doesn't overpower her face or her body type. Let's focus on the fringe hairline. We want to make sure that the hair extensions, the hair wefts, blend with the existing hairline, and we're continuing to use a razor to slice the hair so that it blends. Now that we've blended her existing short hair with the added hair extensions, the hair wefts will go in and refine the length to fit her face shape. Now this is one of 3 haircuts. This is the first Tammy Fringe hair weave haircut. We're using her nose as our guide, and we're starting to slice down to her chin. The effect will be an angled cut. Come join us in our master class at beautywellnesshaircare.com. Stay tuned or subscribe so you can see all of the Tammy bonded fringe hair videos. They are amazing. And even if you don't do a bonded hair weave, you can use tape-ins or sew-ins or fusion or whatever your attachment method of choice is. It's the placement of the extensions and the haircut that makes the style look flawless.